have to wait for some time. No data yet. It is sending though. Where exactly it is sending? Okay, let me go back. Okay, that's a problem. Where's day 4? I should be somewhere live. I think this is the one. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty cool actually. I don't see much of the latency here. Okay, I can close this now. Let's get started. So, this is the OBS. So I'll let it keep running, and this is the web browser. What is this? But again, now I'll start with Django and everything. So first of all, I need to boot the Docker. Let me put that in work mode, and my SQL is already running. That is cool. Minimize. Now I need to open the project. Open SQL. So this is the project. Okay. The requirement and the readme. I left blah blah. What I was doing last time, I guess I was working on this defining the academic fee update part. Yeah. Okay. Database already running, so I don't have to run the command makeup to start the DB container. I can run the CSS thing. Make CSS. Okay, so Daisy UI is running. Now I need to run my web server. Wait, what? I thought it's running. Oh, okay, it's not running. Let me start it. Okay, now it's running. Okay, perfect. I'll go to a refresh, and voila, we have this. I can go to academic here, then I can click on fee management, and there I will be having all of that. So okay, one thing I need to understand, like this portion over here, we should not allow to create a new fee if academic year is completed. Okay, I'll make a note of it. Okay, this makes sense. So I have this. Wait a second. How many classes do I have? 5 class do I have, and I have already created 5. Uh, there are reason. See what I can do. I can directly go for the standard. Create your base fee as per the standard. But sometime what happen? Section A B might be for commerce and CD for science. So their tuition fee is different. That is the reason I am like we have to map fee or tuition fee for each of the classes. Back management, there it is. Okay, cool. Now what? Academic here. Let's go for classes. If I click on class, I should be able to see all the class. Okay, not like that. Uh, Let me check out the model first. So I have a fee model which based on the academic year and a school class. That is okay. And now I need to have a student and enrollment. Let's complete the student onboarding now. Okay, so for a student, I have created first name, middle name, last name, and so student registration will be the student ID. What else do I need to put here? I need an email also. Now, one thing is that uh, I can get more field if I want, like address and all. We should create actually. Let me put. So this all I can put over here. That's fine. That will work. And apart from that, I need one more thing. That is account user. So 1 to 1. The cascade. Now I got the student. Now I need to work on the enrollment part. First academic here. Now what? So I got this. I don't have any problem now. Scroll it up a little bit. Okay, so this I got it an academic year, or I can make it small. Now I need to define the class. Okay. Model dot cascade, and then so I got class. So one more thing, whenever I make any changes there, whenever I make any changes there, I want to trigger something. Or suppose somebody wants to register a student, they need to go to class, and after going to the class they can click on register student. That will also work. That is like much more better. Then I will be having academic year face directly from the URI, and school class also from the URI, and in that way I will be having a count of how many students already enrolled there. Yes, that is good approach instead of putting new registration here. So let me remove the registration part from there. Academic here, index. It uh, classes slash student registration slash student registration. Nice. So fee management. Uh, okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, I am putting it as a like a student record there. After student enrollment, what I need? I need another thing, that is what that is subject. So mandatory subject. Now subject optional. Subject not null, blank and true. Now related name is student enrollment, optional subject. This is it. Okay. Anything else I need to click? So for this I don't need any things. Okay, now I need something. Venn diagram. Okay, I need set and superset and subset. Okay, example A is this. Or I can do intersection. Oh yeah, not symbol. So I just need to have this intersection. So set intersection in Python. Where is that intersection? I have too many field and section. I should be able to do the intersection actually with this. No, not the database level, Python level interaction. Yes. Okay, this is cool actually. For the subject, how should I go with the subject? Subject might be 1 or 2 or might be 10 or 20 subject. Okay, let's do one thing. How to have or instead of that I can do something. I need to have this kind of a thing here. SNI. Screenshot. Okay. How to have this kind of interface while using Django forum. Filters is multiple material. I'm using Daisy UI. Let's see if I have something for the Daisy UI. What the hell is this? Include dual list core style with CDN, script and CDN. Dual lists. It is just what exactly is this? Mm-hmm. Typo. Okay. One thing is that when I'm creating class, I can see most of the time for some class like class 1 or class 2, subject will remain same. So it's not a good idea. It's not a good idea that user has to give or has to put class have to select the subject for each registration. No, instead of that, can't I do something like some mapping thing? Not a good idea, but okay, let's say one thing. Create me a form which will take input for students. And then what? Okay, it's equals to false. This is for the edit part. No, man, that is not correct. No, this is completely wrong. Okay, how to handle many to many fields. No, it's not working. So I have seen since. Okay, this is the one. That is not working for some reason. I'm gonna try this. Let's try this. Okay, this is fine. Now I have a student and student enrollment thing going on. One more thing is that is there any way to modify the models save for a separate process application is applied by panel. What the hell is this? Why I'm doing this? I can just modify some function. I don't have it. Okay, let me make it first. Let me make the working model, then I'll try to optimize it. Okay, so I'll do make migrate. Now what? So this is done. Okay, now I need to work on this part. Academic year, this class registration. So I'll put it as a classes. Models. What the hell is that? There it is. Nice. Okay, now I can go to this. I'll come here. Go to view. Academic year. No. academic year class, right? So need a template accordingly. Academic year class index. Now this will be a school class list. School class. Itself equals to none. Let me get the academic year. Models dot school class dot objects dot or dot filter false return render request. क्या नाम था यार एकेडमिक ईयर, इतना तो सेम जाएगा नाम. Academic year is academic year. Now this is okay. I'll go there. Just like this, I need to put it here, and instead of it should be class. Academic year school class. Now I can go to the list portion index. Academic, now it's correct. What the hell is this? Oh, I need to fix that. Okay. My bad. I'll fix it later. Let me first correct this part. Class and section status is always on. There's no problem in it. Action. Student count. Then action. स्टूडेंट काउंट का कितना रखेंगे यार? स्टूडेंट काउंट Okay, is this okay now? Okay, student count only. I need to see how I can get the student counts. I'll put some dummy data for the time being, 0 or 1, whatever that is. I'll put that data. Now filter part. Okay, what else? Let me update over here on the top. Academic year. Hmm. Okay, I don't need any of this. So table, I need a condensed table. Hmm. Table SM, small size, so it's table SM. Cipra, okay, this is cool. Table Cipra. Not looking good. This is extra small. I'll go for table SM. Let's go this portion. Table small. What the hell is this? For some reason this thing is not working. But CSS is there, then what is... Okay, now it worked for some reason. Yeah, it's looking very weird. Let me remove this. Now it's much more good. Okay, let me go for the student registration. If I click here, I need class details as well. So academic year, get object, academic. Form. I need to create a form then now. First, let me get this correct. Academic year, enrollment, enrollment, enrollment.html. Let me get that thing straight first. Enrollment.html. Okay. Now I can go to URL. Enrollment. This is okay. Enrollment. Now I need to update that school listing. Okay, I don't need this, not anymore. For the student registration part, I need this URL academic. First, I need UI.id, then I need object.id, and refresh the page. Okay, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. Okay, so I need to fix this portion. Okay, I need to. Will this work? Of course not. Okay, open academic here. Instead of that, now I need to put the entire details. Okay, class student enrollment form designation form. Form dot chart field. Now I can do form, then ay, then school class. Now I need to make changes. Let me get the academic year and this school class first. I have a foreign key and we need to fill in Django model. How to write forms. Okay, that is pretty easy, it seems. What was that? Model. I know it would be redundant, but I just wanted to see how will it look if I do this. Model choice field. Model choice field, that is correct, by the way, but why this is not coming as a query set? I have given the query set. What the heck? Okay, my bad, it should be objects and it is coming like this, but by default I want to have this thing. Okay, now in order to have that thing I can rely on this. If academic year, then academic year, then but I don't need this, it seems. I need that. Let me see if there is any optimized way to do this. Well, this will always work, not a problem. Refresh. Academic year class. Let me go for school class. School class to see. What the hell? No, it's not a valid. Oh, okay, my bad. It should be required, not this. Then mandatory subject, right? Mandatory subject. What is the name? 'There? 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 to deal with many to many. Uh, Model multiple choice field. Okay, that's it. So, model multiple. What the hell? Subject name is not coming correctly. What the hell is subject? Okay, I have. This is the case. And what is that forum thing? Core template print form. Modify the form to support list box to menu. I'm not sure why this is coming like this. This for UI just like menu fields. Got it now. What is core? This will be mixing. After mixing, let's go to Django forum. Okay, then I will be having these things. Okay, not for the template part. Components dual list box. Components dual list box.html. Okay, now I need to copy this. It is saying, asking me to put that once in the base thing. Block extra JS. Let me put it there actually. Just block extra JS, right? This is nice. Now just very rigid. Academic year. WID dual list box. This is cool actually. I need search input also inside the dual list box. Let's do one thing. I want to have dual list box which you just created. Now I want to there should be an input field for which is the user type. Selected Java, selected box JavaScript. Okay, how to make this make these things. How to make these things what so that I will pass all the required in form. This is it. How will this work? How are this connected? Okay, I have a dual list box. Okay, then I'm creating a custom field. Do I need to? Oh, okay. So this is the understood. So let's get started. Let's go to core, and then I can go to mixins. I have created this thing, but I need to fix this. So this is the widget now. Name, values, and attribute. Hmm. Okay, now edit file. Hmm. Let me put that academic search. This is it. Let's see. So blah 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 blah. Okay, this is the dual list box. Dual list box. Component dual list box. Okay, and this is a dual list box results. This is what? Jeez. Now I can go to this site, template academic year, then enrollment, and there I can paste this. For that I'll have to do load static. Now till this part is correct. Dual list box result. Okay, that's fine. Views सब्जेक्ट सर्च का यहाँ डाल देते हैं. We put this. Subject search. Okay, this is cool. This portion I need to go to form. Ajax. I will do a restart of the server because I just added that JS thing. What the hell? Okay, I don't want layout in this format. I want to the left and right. Left should contain the input and select box. Select box. Right should have the okay. Let me put this as this portion, and then this as this portion. To list item, what the hell is that thing? Assets, cheers. To list item, this portion. I need to restart my servers also. Yes, that's cool. One thing by default I want to show. Okay, but by default I want to show at least 10. Just a second. Query set was there, right? So then why query set is not working? Can go to view. The initial search initial. Wait, how it goes? Modify your widget.py file. Where is my widget.py file? Dual box widget, okay. Dual box widget modify मैंने किया. What else now? I need to pass query set into the widget. Replace empty div. Dual list box, not dual list box. Where the hell is empty div? What to place here? Give me the full code. That's it. लिस्ट बॉक्स ओके कोर फील्ड हो गया था अब फिर मुझे चाहिए बॉक्स रिजल्ट ये भी अपडेट कर दिया और इसको अपडेट करना है। Asset chairs and this portion. Line number 47. Now same button create me something for the foreign key. Widget. So let me have this first. I check select widget. What is that mixing thing? Okay. Fill तो यहाँ आ गया है. What else? Select widget. Select widget. Select Ajax. Select Ajax. Select Ajax. अरे यार सी okay. Now very important question. Will it populate automatically 5. Okay, I will test it out later. This should work. Let me go there to a refresh, and this is looking good actually. How many 10 queries I have made? It's a duplicate, I can't do anything. So academic year. Okay, git add what I did. Nice. Now this is done. Let me just exit this, and this also. And if I do make a web, math physics, right? If I do this, nice. I got this also. Nine queries. Okay. So this is cool actually. this is for the session part. Okay, understood. What took most of the time? Select from academic school class. Okay, that's the class details, transfer standard and all. This is very good actually. So I'm pretty satisfied with the the progress that I have made today. Okay, again we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye bye.